Just double click on it.
Hey, that one? Oh. Okay.
Yeah. She's not doing anything.
Just dance.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Moving my hips like yeah. Sing it.
I don't know it.
USA.
It's a party in the USA.
You know, it says it's a party in the USA.
Get more into it. Like, get into it.
Yeah. Bad door.
Do that part.
If you want to add stuff, add stuff.
Okay, just add whatever you want.
I'm not much of a dancer.
You're doing good.
I need a hula hoop.
Do it like this and like put it up and then pop it out.
Yeah. You know I'm never good at hula hooping.
You're good at hula hooping.
What?
The Casey's good at hula hooping.
We should find you a hula hoop and have you practice. Do it.
Put your hands up.
You go like this and put your hands up and like just move your hair like this.
You copy Brooke.
Yeah.
Do the drop down low and pop your butt out. It's fun. I do it, but no, it's like where you drop. I can't drop. There you go. The party in the USA. Okay.
I need to exercise better.
Say your name.
I'm Cassandra.
And say what song you just danced to.
I danced to Miley Cyrus's Party in the USA.
Alright.
And you're not putting that in Facebook.